Okay, so I'm going to do a different kind of unboxing right now because I know people don't like watching me like unwrap things from boxes, so I'm just going to go ahead and show you piece by piece but quickly everything that I just got from my last wholesale order. So the first thing that I got right here, these are little ladies' bodies. Oh my god, this is so cute. And they are in different materials. This is like yellow calcite. There's clear quartz. Look at the booty. Shaking her booty. So I have these. These are going to be coming into the store soon. And I will show you the next thing. Oh my god, so cute. Alright. Alright, and then so on to item numbers, I guess 2 and 3. These are Caribbean calcite towers. They're pretty big. They're as big as my hand, so oh my god, how beautiful are these? Amazing. Let me get them kind of in the sun so you can see them in the sun. My neighbors are screaming right now at each other. But anyway, there's that one. And this one's got a lot of beautiful color on the bottom right there. Pardon my neighbors. Isn't that beautiful? Oh my god, so pretty. Okay, on to the next. Hopefully I'll wait for the neighbors to stop screaming. Part of me wants to just keep doing this with the neighbors screaming. This is an ocean jasper, and I will go ahead and get it out this way. Absolutely beautiful OJ, ocean jasper. I think they're actually called sea jasper because ocean jasper I think is supposed to be a trademarked term, but absolutely beautiful as well. Look how pretty. All right, on to the next. Let's see if the neighbors are still screaming. Okay, believe it or not, they're still screaming. But on to the next. So this, and I shall put it in the sun, is an amazing pink amethyst tower. It's got some beautiful druzy on it, even on the bottom. So pretty. Oh, it's huge too, gigantic. And then this piece here, which I don't think is going to make it into the store because I think I'm going to end up keeping it. Oh my god, if you even knew. Look how absolutely stunning, gorgeous that is. So many just little pockets. This is absolutely gorgeous. I think this guy might have to live with me, but we'll see. We'll see. I'll let you know if I post him. But he's beautiful nonetheless. All right, on to the next. We'll see if they're still screaming. So now it's quiet. I think they're finished. So we can move on to, I got some agate slabs that also have the druzy in them. So pretty. That's one. Here's one. I really like the lines on this one. Now you get to hear the planes fly over. I like the lines. Look at that. It's so pretty. And then the last bigger one is this guy right here. That's really pretty. And then I also have like a bunch of the smaller ones, a lot of hearts. These also have like really great color. It's kind of washing out a little bit. So I got like the hearts. This one's got also amazing lines. That's so pretty. So I got those, and I also got some moons that I think are just gorgeous as well. So there are those. Got the slabs, the moons, and the hearts. Oh, look at this guy. Sorry, he needs to show off. All right. Okay. Let's get the next tray. Well, if it isn't the neighbors, it's the airplanes. You see the airplane? He's out there somewhere. Anyway. All right, so it seems as though they've quieted down a little bit. So now I have, this is a whole tray of Mookaite Jasper Hearts. These are so pretty. They have like browns, reds, yellows. Let me get more in the sun here. I think I feel like I'm blocking my sun. Probably better off on the tray. But anyway, they're just so pretty. You can see like pinks in some of them, lots of reds, yellows, so pretty. And these are a pretty nice size. These are, let's look, as big as my palm. And then there are some smaller ones. This guy's a little bit smaller. So, but still definitely heart palm stoned size. Duh. So there's those. I've got one more. Okay, this is the last little bit that was in my wholesale box. These are Rhodolite. So, you know, there's Rhodolite. Those are the ones that have like the black in them. This is Rhodolite. Absolutely beautiful. They're kind of expensive. These were the only 4 pieces I got. I'm probably going to keep this guy because I just love the color. But these are just absolutely fabulous too. They kind of look like bacon a little bit. I don't know. But I got those as well. So that's it. So I hope you guys enjoyed my fun little video. I will post more unboxings where you don't have to watch the unwrapping as soon as I get some more. I've got another order probably coming next week, and these items will be in my store, and I'm in the process of putting the website together as well. So we will get those together soon, and I will post everything below in the description box. Thanks so much. I appreciate you all. Talk to you soon. Bye.